Hello again, traders. Lord Ray with HypedOnCrypto.com, your number one source for cryptocurrency technical analysis and blockchain education. In this video, we're going to be doing a lightning analysis on Cardano ADA. Some pattern has developed. We have made higher lows, but how long will that last, right? Let's take a look. Okay, guys. ADA to Bitcoin, Bittrex exchange, 1 hour chart. This is a very zoomed out view, okay? Been in a correction since January 4th. Twig and thatch right here, no consolidation. We've bled out all of this. All of this was completely taken out in the bearish hurricane that we've been talking about in our live streams, right, guys? We found a bottom possibly right here at this trend line, this 1712 that we plotted, came down, touched it like to Jesus, and now it's broken out of this falling wedge pattern. We did take a trade on this on the confirmation of the breakout, but as soon as we started seeing some head and shoulder action zoomed in, we formed an ascending trend line. We set a stop loss there. People that have been watching the live stream trading with us, we all got out right here before we broke down to lower prices. So it was just technically it was just a lower high than our previous high. What does that signify? Just bearish overall. Wonderfully though, we have found a double bottom here, okay, making higher lows than our previous lows, but we have in fact seen that before, right? Went up here, lower prices. So this trend is not over. This downtrend we're going to remain in until we break above these levels and hold above those levels. 2475 is our pretty much reversal area. If we can break and hold above that and then break again to continuous higher highs, higher lows, we could see this could have been the bottom. But until that happens, with all the tumult going on with Bitcoin, we have to wait and see, and we have to keep our expectations realistic. And really, right now, guys, for me, what I see, just eyeing this, remember we had the symmetrical triangle, measured move down, descending triangle, measured move down. Broke up here, double bottom. Okay, this is what I see. This is all I see, man. What does that look like, guys? You know what this looks like? This looks like a rising wedge. Rising wedge continuation. Okay, so we zoom in, we can see. Look what happened. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times now. This wedge is overstaying its welcome. Right? It came up here, broke above the 100. Or excuse me, the 200 MA on the 1 hour, not very significant, still there. When we topped out, look what happened. We're now tanking, okay? Huge breakdown occurring as we speak at the top of the wedge, guys, okay? So what does this mean? If we fulfilled the destiny of TA, right? If we follow it by the textbook, we should have a measured move down at some point when we do break out. That's another story. When we break out and get confirmation on that, 104 Satoshi. So let's just say, for instance, we broke out right here or here, right? 104 Satoshi, measure move down. Minimum. Okay, it can go much further than that, much longer, much harder. Kappa. 1932. Okay. Let's move this up. 1932. Okay, guys. That is your measured move down. Makes sense. It's down a pretty key support level, some kind of bottom we found. There is some value here. Okay, people are buying. They bought twice now. Yeah. So I just wanted to, keep you up to date with this lightning analysis on Cardano. Though we have broken out of the wedge, we've only seen lower highs than our previous highs. Continued this trend that we are in, forming bearish pattern after bearish pattern. And until we break this 2475 Satoshi area and hold above it powerfully, use that key resistance as a support, and start seeing higher prices, guys, we're still bearish on Cardano until all that stuff develops. So I hope you enjoyed this lightning analysis on Cardano. Wanted to keep you up to date. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button, hit that bell, hit that sub. Check us out on our alternative YouTube channel, hypedoncrypto.com/live. You could also just search for it in the search bar above. So, guys, see you tonight, 11 Eastern, for the live stream, Crypto and Chill, episode 38. Until next time, stay hyped.